We're 4 weeks out from the 100K, and I'm very excited about my run today. I'm gonna be running a fast run after a whole month. It's over.
What's up, bro? आज साइनस नहीं है यार है बट वही मैं सोच रहा था कि we will go to Goa after this, right? मिलेंगे ना हम साथ में शिलोंग पर है और क्या
for 1 kilometer and 2 minutes rest, 4 repeats. Next 400 meters, 1 minute rest, 4 repeats. That's it.
Oh, this is what I did. भाई ये तो बड़ा ही it fixes everything.
We got the new Gabby ring. The matte black. I've got the matte black one. Looks pretty sick. We'll be testing this out against the Whoop that I've been using for so long. The best part about this is it doesn't have a subscription. Hope it gives all the insights that the Whoop gives without a subscription. And this is the case for it with a charger inside and a Type-C charger. As a charger, I'll just keep the charger inside and use my Apple charger only. Whose idea was this?
Mine, I think.
Huh?
Mine.
Yours?
I think it was mine.
And how did I and Sashank get convinced?
I needed a swimmer.
You didn't need me though, bro. Iron Man crew.
सामान कैसा लगेगा
After this, we'll pick up your cycle.
We'll have to head back home, drop it there.
If it fits in the car, we'll put in the car.
Yeah.
He'll do it if Likith is doing.
Will Likith do it?
Does Likith know how to swim?
No clue about that. He knows how to run though.
Yeah, he knows. He knows how to run.
how to run.
He knows how to run.
Likith has made you run 100 kilometers. He can swim for you.
So I'm Hriday, by the way. Sorry. Bye.
अभी राइड नहीं कर सकता मैं
क्यों?
क्योंकि मेरे पास ब्रेक क्लीट्स नहीं है
Life is just a series of fuck it, let's do it.
A lot of them.
So these are your wristbands. For the next 3 days, please do not remove it.
Stay in this for the next 3 days now.
So all the best, sir, and all the best.
Thank you. You Strava that also?
Yeah. Local legend. Mayu Beach. Bandram.
You didn't Strava it.
No, not this one.
Shashank did.
It's you Strava.
Bye, Ani. Not good night. I'll talk to you. Huh? Okay, bye.
You should put this on your. Look at the small camera. It's so small. It's actually so small and cute.
तू सब्जी ऐसी दे आज उतार ही होता है कौन सा मजा आएगा I intend to attempt 21.1 after the 90K.
So that was my condition to come. I'm like, I'm not coming all the way to do a 21K with a broken calf.
What legs you're doing? Just run?
Just run. So I'll basically just run. These guys will cycle and run and swim and run.
That's my brand. EST. Essential strength training.
Even for the runners, it was so good because it marries strength training and running, right?
Right.
So these guys were just running and not doing any strength training.
Yeah.
Saw so much progress. Now I think Jan onwards, when I start prepping for the World Championship, we'll get more
Mix?
mixed doubles.
Oh yeah, you mix.
Yeah, with Millie,
Yeah,
one of the coaches at Knox.
I did for mixed double too, but I'll get a doubles pro.
Hi, Shan and I going in March to Bangkok to do
He's there.
a pro doubles.
Dan is there. He was asking for a relay team if you want to join him.
No, bro, relay is brutal, man. Relay is like a 5K. You're just dying.
They come from a gym background
Yeah.
and they still want to do high rocks where there's a lot of running, and they will ask you, like, will I lose muscle? What if I lose muscle, which I've gained like so much?
Bro, just tell them if you don't eat enough
Yeah.
and if you don't train smartly, you lose muscle.
Right.
Right? If you're just running and you start losing muscle,
Right.
not because you're running,
Right.
but because you're not muscle building or body building, right?
Right. And do you
It's like people also say
Uh,
you become stiff while running.
yeah.
Said you don't get stiff because you're running, you get stiff because you're not doing mobility, right?
Right. You got to recover. That's true.
Guys, I fucked up. We knew it. We knew it. Running with Shreyas and my shakeout run, zone 2 run, zone 1 run became a progressive tempo run. Beef brisket, but can you make it in the baguette? Yeah. And I'll have a flat pie and a croissant. One beef pie and one chicken sausage.
Oh, what is that?
Beef pie.
Make it 2 beef pies.
Well, one. We'll order more nice. One.
And one chicken sausage, right? Sorry.
Say it the daily, bro. Sorry.
Sorry यार, मैं कब में मैंने कहा था इसको हम लोग भाग रहे हैं जोन 2 पर, ठीक है? ये मैं ये other guy. वेट चलो मैंने भी सौ यू आ गया हम तो 6:30 पे हैं वो जोन 2 है ये at least at a sub 6 pace and I told him I said देख ये फिर हरकतें कर रहा है ये बाद में जाके ना 2 घंटे बाद फिर बोलेगा कि मेरी काश। और जैसे ही तू आया ना वैसे तूने बोला गाइस मेरी टेम्पो रन हो गई। What else? We have peanut butter.
Yes.
We have the bagels at home. We have the croissant at home.
No honey.
Where's honey?
In Delhi.
That she is.
60 to 90 is your number, bro. Please carry for that.
Per hour.
Per hour.
Because how will they identify me in the water?
Bro, they don't need to identify in the water, please. They need to identify once you're out. Okay?
नहीं but I'm confident because I know कि I can do it. मेरे को
मैं भी कर लूंगा, मुझे कौन सा नहीं
and मेरे को कट ऑफ में भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है। मेरी टेंशन अब 2 जगह पे है। एक अगर पंचर होगा तो क्या करूंगा मैं तो भले आदमी को रोकना पड़ेगा।
मैं एक डिस्क्लेमर दे देता हूँ। अगर DNF हो गए तुम दोनों में से कोई भी, मैं आयरन मैन की टिकट के पैसे नहीं दे रहा।
ठीक है, हिसाब ठंडे को करेंगे।
अच्छा ठीक है, ऐसा करते हैं, अगर जो DNF हुआ वो सबके देगा।
हाँ वो भी fair.
ठीक है।
Because of that person the rest can't.
फायर जो DNF हुआ वो सबके देगा।
हाँ ठीक है।
तू तो होगा
अपने
नहीं।
कैमरा में आ गया।
तू तो होगा नहीं। ठीक है, I think that's fair.
तू बता।
मतलब it's fine according to me.
How come you're not asleep right now?
मैं जाने वाला हूँ सोने। मेरे रेड लाइट क्लासेस ऑन है 4 बजे से।
I love you all, but I am very excited to cheer for Shashank from you. Like first swim in the ocean and all.
आयरन मैन की ऐप डाउनलोड कर लें, ट्रैकिंग कर सकते हैं हम सब।
मैं धीरे भाग रहा हूँ। 2-2.5 घंटे में खत्म करूँगा 21 के।
अबे चल
ये
झूठे।
लोग भी तो भाग रहे हैं साथ में।
मैं कोई रेस थोड़ी।
अबे तूने आज भी टेम्पो मार दिया तो कल सब टू करेगा।
दर्द हो रहा है।
अरे मुझे पता है आप हिल स्प्रिंट्स करोगे, वो हिल्स बहुत एक्साइटिंग है।
हिल स्प्रिंट्स।
कैसे लोग हो यार तुम?
भाई
हिल
हम कैसे लोग कैसे
हिल स्प्रिंट्स मरवा रहे हो मेरे को।
मस्ती आएगी आपको, देखोगे जब वो इंक्लाइन, बहुत अच्छा इंक्लाइन है वो।
भाई काफ टूटा हुआ मेरा।
तो आप भाग तो नहीं रहे हो आजकल, जैसे आपका काफ टूटा हुआ है। लास्ट में आप आ ही जाते हो जोन 4 में। सैटरडे में को भी
हाँ वो नहीं करना चाहिए था, बट मेरे को टेस्ट करना था। बट टेस्ट मतलब पहले से बेटर हो गया है, 50% ठीक हो गया है। तो आई थिंक बॉर्डर तक हो जाएगा ठीक पूरा। और ये
तो पूरा बनाते हूँ। तो बस देते भी ना स्पीच उसमें कि without your friends, without your family.
But that's how to swim.
Just my friends will have to follow you there.
easy, don't worry. Best of luck, bro.
All the way, brother.
अबे चिप दे भाई, चिप दे।
There has some water inside this. Sorry. There has some water in this.
Yeah, one second.
See you, boys.
See you.
We're running this, right? Let's go. Let's go.
The boys are finishing their half marathon.
I'm going back on the board. I kept repeating this to myself for like at least 50 to 100 times, man. Yeah, on the bike. keeping 100 on the line. The sea, the sky. Where the pledge allegiance to your will, your team, your vibes.
We're about 3 weeks out from our first 100K in Marjo. Last week I did an interval session after like probably a month to check how bad my calf was. Turns out it's not as bad as before. There's a long way to go. So this just means if I'm training all out for my 100K, I might not be able to do the 100K. So my next best bet would be to keep my mileage low, like about 30-40 kilometers every week, instead of the 60 to 100, and bring the 100K. So that's what we're going to do.